Asheville this weekend and staying at the Kimpton Hotel Arras in downtown Asheville. I wanted to stay here because it's walking distance to most of the things that I wanted to go to, mainly a concert I'm going to today. It's the Interpol concert. I'm obsessed with them. They're like my band. Paul Banks, the lead singer, is just awesome. I mean, everybody in the band is awesome, but he's my favorite. Anyway, back to the hotel. So we checked in here yesterday, and so far everything has been really great. The staff is all super friendly. They're very professional and helpful, and it's pet friendly here. So all Kimpton hotels are pet friendly, and all of them, the pets can stay for free. And it's also great too because they allow larger dogs. Like, we've seen all sizes of dogs here staying at this hotel, from like super big to teeny tiny. So Kuma's met a lot of dogs already coming here. We checked in yesterday and got here around 5 p.m. It's only valet parking. They do have self-parking, but it's gonna be very hard to find parking around downtown Asheville, especially on a weekend. And this weekend I'm staying over Labor Day weekend, so it's even more busy because they have like festivals going on and other special events, and plus, you know, everybody's enjoying their holiday weekend, so there's more people. So yeah, I got in around 5 p.m. last night and I valet parked. They're very patient with me because I just told them like, hey, look, I have to organize a bunch of things before I leave my car with you guys. That's the only thing I don't like about valet parking, is that I feel like pressure to always like pack my stuff like real quickly before I give them my keys, but I was just like, no, don't stress over it. Just tell them it's gonna take you a while. So, I mean, I swear I took like 15 minutes to get everything ready because, you know, I'm staying in Asheville and then I'm going to the Smokies after. So I have like a lot of different gear and I don't have to take everything into this hotel. Anyway, they were very nice and patient with me and got me a luggage cart and directed me to the lobby, got me checked in, and then they also took my luggage up with me to my room and then showed like how the elevators work here, because it's a little bit different where you scan your card and then you put your floor number, the hotel room that you're staying in, and then it tells you which elevator to go to. Oh, and another thing I don't really like about valet parking is that I have to always have cash because you have to tip them, right? So I have to always remember to have cash on me. So yeah, those are the two things, is that I feel pressure to unpack and I feel like I don't have cash on me at all times. But this time I did because I knew that I would be valet parking, so that wasn't a problem. So I'm staying in a room with 2 queen beds. It's very spacious. It's a lot more spacious than I expected, actually. All right, so let me give you a room tour. So Kuma likes to stay over here by the window. She was just looking out there for a second, but she just turned around. But we have this lovely view of the mountains in the distance, and then downtown Asheville here. So Kuma's like having a good time people watching. And then you have a lovely lounge area here. So if you wanted to work on your laptop or just relax and read a book, that's a nice area to do that. And then right across from that is the full-length mirror. Kuma left a big mess there. She didn't eat her veggies. What'd you see out there, Kuma? Yeah, I know you like it out there. You love people watching. It is fun. It's very fun. All right, so these are the 2 beds, the 2 queen size beds. They were actually very comfortable. Probably like one of the most comfortable beds that I slept on. And here's a cool looking clock. Some drawers. Oh, I didn't even know they had a flashlight here. That's interesting. Never seen that before. And then down here, okay, another drawer. Oh, that's right. So here you'll have 2 USB ports and 2 outlets, but the USB ports weren't working for me. I used it last night. I plugged in my iPhone and then I realized this morning that it wasn't charged up. And then right across from the beds is the working desk area, plus a TV, some drawers for storage, and they have more outlets and USB ports here, which I'm using. So these USB ports are working. Also some information. Let's see. They have a spa massage center here. Internet is free. There's live music at their bar. Also, yeah, they have coffee from 7 to 10 a.m. I went and got some today. They also provide tea, some local Asheville tea too, so if you want that, that's an option. Evening social hour from 5 to 6 with light bites and wine. And then some information on room service for food. So I'm staying in room 604, and they give you this Urban Excel card. It's their spa, I believe. Yeah, so they give like $10 off massage. Then also got this goodie bag here for Kuma. Got a nice ball and some yummy treats. I really like these because you can tear little pieces, or they're easy to tear, the treats. So I like to give Kuma a little at a time because she's such a little piggy. So I might go to the store and get more because this is the company, Patton Avenue Pet Company. It's not too far from here, so I'm gonna go there. But yeah, so they give you like some waste bags and all that. So that was pretty nice. And Kimpton hotels will provide dog beds too, most of them. I asked for a big size dog bed, and this is huge. I didn't think it was gonna be this huge, but you know, Kuma likes more space. So that's the dog bed that they provided for us. And over here is like more storage space, which I'm definitely using. And then down here, some cups and ice box. This here is the fridge. Yeah, I really do think it's a good size fridge because I was able to fit everything that I brought with me. Like all my water and fruits, Kuma's food. So that was nice. And on the other side, there's a digital safe. Over here, this is the closet. They have an ironing board, an umbrella, and some laundry service if you need it. They also have a yoga mat because all Kimpton hotels provide yoga mats. And they had a robe in here too, which I used because it was kind of cold in here last night, so it was kind of nice to have a robe. And then right across from that is the bathroom. And this is a very spacious bathroom. It has this cool barn door, very trendy, works great. Not that I use it because I'm just staying here myself, but yeah, nice big mirror, good lighting. And the toilet is over there on one side, and on the other side is the shower. The shower was really nice last night, good pressure, nice water temperature, and they provide shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, so some lotion and a vanity kit with cotton swabs, pads, and what, emery board? Oh, okay, I guess the nail filer. I didn't know that was called an emery board. Interesting. But yeah, this is what you get with the vanity kit. So yeah, so that's the room. Kuma and I are really enjoying it here. We actually had breakfast downstairs today and ate outside together, had an omelet. The staff was really nice to us. And they actually, since my food was a little late, because I asked for no peppers in my omelet, but I guess the chef accidentally put peppers, so then it was taking a little bit longer for my food to come out. I didn't even complain, I was fine with it, but they felt really bad, so they gave me a discount, a 30% discount on my meal, so I thought that was very nice. The meal itself, it was good. I liked my omelet. The seasoned fries was good too, but it was a little bit on the spicy side for me. And the portion is very small. I think that's like the smallest omelet I've ever had served to me in the States. So if you like big portions, this is probably not what to get. But you know, overall, I enjoyed it. It was fine. And I got to enjoy it with Kuma, so that was nice. Also checked out the gym upstairs. So it's downstairs from me, but it's on the 3rd floor. And their gym, their fitness center, is amazing. It's probably the best fitness center I've seen out of all the hotels I've been to so far. And it has a section with like the bikes where it's overlooking the same view that I have pretty much. Then they have Peloton bikes. So they have 2 Peloton bikes. And then on the other side, there's, you know, a corner for like Pilates work and like other stretches that you want to do. I mean, it was amazing. They even had disposable headphones for you if you needed them. So yeah, if you want to work out on your vacation or business trip, this is a great hotel to do that. So that's also where the spa is if you want to get a massage. It's in the same area. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.